problems. I already know how to tell time, but now I want to learn about how I can add and subtract time. Come on over to my board with me. Here we are at the chalkboard looking at a number line. You might wonder why we are looking at a number line when we are going to work on problems involving time. Well, a number line can be used to help us understand what is being represented in the problem. This simple number line has the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We can say that each one of these numbers represents an hour. You should already know that an hour is made up of 60 minutes. When we go from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 60 minutes or 1 hour has passed. We can also break down the hour into smaller segments. It would take forever to draw 60 small lines in between each of these hours, so we will not use individual minutes. We can, however, start at half hours or 30 minutes. These lines represent 30-minute intervals or half hours. We can also break it down further into 15-minute or quarter-hour segments as well. With this number line, we can now see visually how time has passed. For example, let's say I started playing games at 1:15 p.m. I finished playing games at 2:30 p.m. How long did I play games? By counting the amount of time from the start to the end on the number line, we will know how long I played games. One easy way to work this problem is to make jumps by the hour. So we start at 1:15 and jump 1 hour. And that takes us to 2:15. We now have jumped 1 hour, but we are still not quite there yet. We need to make one more jump. How many more minutes do we need to jump to make it to 2:30? We need to jump 15 more minutes. So the total amount we jumped was 1 hour and 15 minutes. Great job, guys! This is awesome! We just used a number line to solve a time problem. Let's bring in a word problem and see how the number line helps us. Here is a word problem that says Katie started eating her lollipop at 1:15 p.m., but didn't finish until 3:43 p.m. How long did it take her to finish her lollipop? That must have been a huge lollipop. This problem can seem tricky, but once we start using the number line, we will figure it out. We start at 1:15 and move up an hour to 2:15. Looks like we can still move another hour, so let's do that. From 2:15 to 3:15 is another hour. We have moved 2 hours and that got us to 3:15, but she did not finish until 3:43. We need to figure out how many minutes are between 3:15 and 3:43. To do this, we are going to jump in smaller increments. We can go from the 15 here and jump 15 minutes. We are now at 3:30. If we jump another 15 minutes, where does that put us? We actually jumped past where we need to be. We are now at 3:45. Let's erase this jump so we can learn how to make smaller jumps. We are back to 3:30, and from here, let's jump 10 minutes. Now we are at 3:40. From 3:40, we only need to jump 3 more minutes. To finish the problem, we just need to add up the amount of jumps that we did. We jumped 2 hours, then 15 minutes plus 10 minutes gives us 25 minutes. And the last jump is 3 minutes added to the 25 gives us 28. So the answer is 2 hours and 28 minutes. That is how.
Okay, thank you for watching. Now, please let me ask you, Osama. Osama, how many minutes in 1 hour?
How many minutes? It's 60 minutes.
16 minutes. Thank you. Yazan Al-Ghamdi. How many minutes in half an hour?
60 minutes.
Listen again. Osama said it's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now I ask you, how many minutes in half of an hour?
50.
30. Half of 60 is 30. Omar? And how many minutes and quarter of an hour? Quarter.
What?
No, quarter means half of an hour. So it's 15 minutes.
30.
15 minutes. 15 minutes. Ibrahim?
Yes. Yes.
Find the ending time. This is page number 400. I'm sorry, 581. 581. Open it, please, in your book. 581. Ali, open it. Yazan Natash, open it. 581. Saleh, open it. 581. Ibrahim, you open it.
I'm getting my book.
You have to bring up your book
My
before the
next-
class, please.
That was very risky when I.
Find the ending time.
Find the ending time.
2. Starting time 1:40 p.m. Elapsed time 33 minutes.
You listen. Ibrahim, ready?
Wait, what's the page again?
581.
What?
581. Look, let me start with the first one. The starting time here is 1:40 p.m. Elapsed time 33 minutes. Elapsed time means the duration. If 33
581.
listen, elapsed time means the duration of this. For example, it's a class. It's 33 minutes. The starting time, Ibrahim, is 1:40. So what should I do? I have to add 40 to 33. 40 to 33. Okay? So how many minutes should we need to get 2 p.m.?
I'm at 589.
589?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that? The page number?
Yeah.
81. It's not 89. 581. So the starting time here is 1:40. 1:40. Please put it on the number line. 1:40 as you see. Then when I count another 20 minutes, you know, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if we add another 20 minutes here, if you add 20 minutes here to 40 minutes, you will get 2 p.m. Doc? So let me add here 20 minutes from the 33 minutes. Here, 20 minutes, we added it. 20 minutes. Then we need to add another 13 minutes because you know 33 is equal to 20 plus 13, right? 33 is like 20 plus 13. I just added 20. So I need to add another 13 minutes to 2 p.m. If you add here another 13 minutes, you will get here this time, this place. So if you add other 13 minutes, it will be here 2:13. Again. The starting time here is 1:40 p.m. So I put it in the number line, as you see. Then I have to add to 40, 33 minutes. 33 minutes. Just take from the 33 minutes, take 20 minutes and add it to 40 to get 2 p.m. Why I added 20 minutes? Because you know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Here in this place, we have 40 minutes. So I need 20 minutes to get 60. If I get 60, so it's p.m. It's the 2 p.m. exactly. After that, the rest is 13 minutes added to 2 p.m. to get 2:13. Is an Atash?
Yes.
Question 3, starting time 9:55, elapsed time 27 minutes. Look at the starting time 9:55. How many minutes should I need to get 10 p.m.?
10 p.m. only 5 minutes.
That's right, only 5 minutes. So take out 5 minutes from 27. What is the rest?
It will be 23 and then.
No, 27 minus 5.
Yes, miss. It's no. It's minus 5. It's 20. 22.
That's right. So we have to add 22 to 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. So what is the answer? 10, 4 hours and 22 for 4 minutes. And it's already an a.m. You understand that, isn't?
Yes.
Here in this question, it's 2:13 a.m. Thanks, Yazan. Saleh. Question 4.
Start at 3, 5, and we have 15 minutes.
Elapsed time 14 minutes.
We begin at 3, 5.
3 and 5 minutes, and the elapsed time 40 minutes. What should I do? I have to add the minutes to minutes, only minutes to minutes. What is your answer?
3:45.
3:45, that's right, 3:45. AM or PM?
PM.
No, it's PM. Because you know, it's 3:05 PM. Saleh, yesterday you did a wrong homework. It's not the page. You did the homework for this lesson.
Okay.
So please try to do the yesterday's homework. Thank you. Usama?
Mama.
Oh, we did the mistake. I'm sorry. Saleh? Saleh, please let me unmute you again. The question here is different. Find the starting time. The starting time, it's not the ending time.
Why is he?
Look, ending time here is 3:05. The ending time is 3:05, and elapsed time is 40 minutes. So we have to count back. Can we count back 40 minutes? Starting time is 3, ending time is 3 and 5. 3, 4 hours and 4 minutes. So let's count back. If you count back by 5 minutes, what you get? 3, exactly 3 p.m.
PM.
Then if we take out 5 minutes from 40, what will you get?
35.
35. So count back by 35 minutes. What will we get?
45.
We can do 60 minutes minus 35 minutes. 60 minus 35. What is 60 minus 35? 25. So we can get here 2 and 25. This one, drop it down. 25 minutes. So the answer is 2 and 25 p.m. Usama,
Yes, teacher.
look. And then time here is 8 and 6. 8 for hours and 6 for minutes.
Can you just wait?
Miss, I'm not finished because I just seeing you and then I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Can you just wait a minute? Now you can say what you want. Teacher.
Ready?
Yes.